Utirelo rejected Nozipho to be part of their conversation with Mpumelelo yesterday. She was like, no, she's not going to be part of this conversation. Mpumelelo was like, Aibo. Anyway, guys, before I get to the story of today, I just want to say, you know, the rules of the house. I'm Rani Pins of Vasela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. So we all thought Utirelo does not have any problem. We still remember that when Mpumelelo introduced Nozipho to the internet family, right? Utirelo, she was the first person to go on a comment section. She was a welcome Mamkulu. She was a welcome, and we thought, okay, you know, Utirelo is giving Mamkulu's vibe, you know, it's giving Makumalo's vibe. She does not have a problem. She has actually accepted the situation. So yesterday, it was the day that we knew that, you know what, Tirelo, this is how she felt about Nozipho. So yesterday they went live for Utirelo no Mpumelelo. They were talking, I think, and then Nozipho joined the live. You know, she just joined like everybody else to watch what's going on, and people noticed that, you know what, actually, Nozipho, she's also here on this live. And they were like, okay, people were asking, can we please request so she's from part of the conversation? People was like, yay, come on, Tirelo, add Nozipho to the conversation so that we can all have conversation, three of us. Guess what? Tirelo was like, no, I rather add my own people, because there were other people that were requesting to join the live. Utirelo was like, no way. So they continued talking, guys, and people were like, hi, but what is going on? So now I thought Utirelo does not have a problem with Nozipho, although, guys, at the end of the day, these people are sharing the same boyfriend. So they were even asking Mpumelelo, what are you doing for your living? There were a lot of questions that they were talking about, you know, and people were asking, where is Vuyokase? You know one thing about people, they ask him, and Mpumelelo ended up saying that he's gonna have 7 wives, you know. And there were a lot of questions that people were asking, and I know my surprise. You know what surprised me is when Utira was like, she's not gonna add Nozipho, and I'm just like, Aibo, I thought you don't have a problem with Nozipho, you don't have a problem with her, you have welcomed her, but it seems like you do have a little bit of problem. You do have a little bit of like, Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Wednesday. God bless you. Bye.